I don't know, Willys. This stuff was put to bed and retired. Look at this truck. Oh my. Look at that. Really, the tree hadn't done anything to it. A bullet hole through the front glass. Oh, look at those tires. Kind of rotted out. Looks like the rats have been in it. But it looks kind of straight, everybody. I wonder. Look at that. A little 4-cylinder. The original engine. Tri-draft carburetor. Wow. Huh. That is something. Not something you see every day. Let's look back here. Oh my. There's another one in here. That's so cool. Looks like this one's been has been worked on. Wow. Flathead. 4-cylinder. Wow. You never know what you're going to find when you come in and mow these places. You just try to do something right, and you're blessed by this right here. It don't get no better than this.